Gucerithirio gwa kigina kuri thirikari cia matura ni thirikari nene riu kuigite motungata mothe thiini wa kaunti ugwati-ini wa kurugama. Ino ni ndumiriri ira irekereirio ni kanjo ya mangabana ira yugite kaunti nyingi itire no hoti wa kuriha aruti wira acio mishara o undu umwe na gutangikira maundu mangi ma bata.
We are almost facing a crunch down, and anytime counties will close down because we cannot continue operating on credit. Every one of them, even our providers, get to a level where they are well exhausted and they cannot able to support.
Magavana aya matongoretio ni muikariri giti wa IMWE WAIGURU moigite wona maundu maga gucenjia matiri na weki otiga kuhe aruti wira ao rutha kuona thirikari nene ibatari kurekereria muigana wa ciringi birioni 125.
We need to address as a national government and to prioritize and front load county exchequer, and remember that counties also employ civil servants. Majority of the civil servants are actually working in counties and they need to be paid. Some of who offer critical services such as healthcare, and we would not want to ground that service.
Waiguru oigite mitangiko ya wagi wa mbeca igumeire kaunti ciothe na kuria ministry ya kigina gwika mituke kunina thina uyu.
When you cannot pay salaries, when you cannot provide drugs in hospitals, when you cannot even move because the providers are not able to provide fuel, what else do you expect? The KPLC will be down, they are switching off electricity, and so what will happen is if it continues, then we'll send all our employees on leave.
Akiari ihinda-ini riu gavana wa kaunti ya Kiambu Kimani wa Matangi oigite ndari aramukira muigana wa ciringi birioni 4. Gavana wa Nyandarua Kiarie Badirisha orete ministry ya kigina gwika mituki na kurekereria kigina niguo kuhukia mitangiko ya aruti wira.
We are also urging government agencies like COB who normally put our names and on papers on media that we have not absorbed money. What are we expected to do when 4 disbursements have not been given? Just a month is remaining to the end of the financial year, and then we will be expected to absorb all that money.
Na rekihoni ya guturagia thina uyu kanju ino ni endekithitie watho wa kuramata kigina gia kaunti ucenjio.
We should be allowed to use revenue at source. I think that should be a consideration, also to alleviate the challenge that the counties are having where they have taken overdrafts from banks and now they're having to pay interest which they expected to only pay for maybe 1 month. They're now paying maybe for even 3 months.
Kuringana na watho kaunti cia rogota magoti na mbeca ingi ciagiriro ni gutumaga mbeca icio kuri ministry ya kigina ire cithorimaga na gucoka gucituma kuri kaunti. Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jeta Getau wa Wanjiku.